program. I stuttered. But yeah, we're not doing that anymore, so we're still kind of here waiting to figure out where we're going to be moving, and he's kind of just doing like a desk job until we move. So we've got a big move ahead of us. There's 4 places we could be going to. There's Hawaii, which we put number 1 down. There's San Antonio, Texas. There's Augusta, Georgia, and Fort Meade, Maryland. But we found out a few days ago through email that there's only 12 spots for Hawaii, 0 spots for San Antonio, 4 spots for Fort Meade, and 4 spots for Georgia. So really, we're thinking we got Hawaii, but we're not 100% sure. And honestly, we're fine as long as we don't get Fort Meade. Not like it's a bad place or anything like that, but it's super far away from family. I know Hawaii is pretty far, but I don't know. I feel like Hawaii would be amazing to live in, especially because we're going to only do 4 years left in the military, active duty. So, yeah, that's what our plan is. Anyways, yes, he got out of the flight program, and people are probably wondering why. It's just so much study time. It's so much time away from family. It's not as family oriented as we were hoping. I mean, there's so many people that make it work with the family, but a lot of things like happened during the time. I mean, obviously I was pregnant with the twins, and that was very stressful, and it was just a really hard time to go through while Court was going through all the schooling. And I mean, obviously you need to have your sanity, and he definitely needed his sanity, so I'm really happy that he got out of the flight program for himself and he didn't just stay in because he thought he needed to. Always just follow your heart. But he's really excited now that he's going crypto, and I'm really excited to see what our next journey is. I really hope we get to Hawaii. So guys, everybody cross your fingers for us, because that would be so much fun, and I really want family pictures there, and I just want to adventure. We need mountains and adventure. We just don't have that here. We have the beach, and that's about it. So I need some adventure, and I'm kind of going crazy. I'm excited this time around. I'm not going to be pregnant, so I can actually like help move, but we should be out of here, I'm thinking by like September. So I thought I would just get on here and tell you guys what's been going on and why I've been so crazy. It's been hard, and now I'm finally like out of the postpartum stage with the twins, that we're just kind of like in this good stage where they're a little bit older than 1. I mean, like 2 months, like 1 month. But yeah, it's just nice to be out of that like postpartum phase, and we've been working out a lot and just kind of staying busy. So I want to start making some more videos, but I haven't had like very much motivation. Obviously, because I had all that postpartum crap, and now the COVID stuff. It's just like hard to like think of videos to do, you know what I mean? And we're just kind of in the backyard every day. But anyways, I made it to the post office. I'm gonna go inside, take my envelope in there, mail it off, and head home. But I hope you guys are all doing well. I will keep you guys updated with this move. It's going to be really fun if we do move to Hawaii. We're going to have a really cool video for you guys, hopefully. I can make something cool. But yeah, I will be thinking of videos to make, and I hope you guys are doing good. I miss you guys. I'm trying to make videos. I have a whole bunch that are edited, but I feel like they're so like old, I don't even want to post them anymore, if that makes sense, because I'm like, that's not even me anymore. Like, I'm different now. Not really, but still. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know if you guys are moving, or if you guys know anything about Hawaii. We'd be living in like Honolulu area, and I'm just like getting my hopes up. So anyways, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye!